Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for western Douglas County. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brandon, or 13 miles west of Alexandria, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe storm will be near Alexandria around 6:10 p.m. Other locations affected by the severe thunderstorm include Alexandria Airport, Florida, Garfield, Melville, Green Valley, Gold City, and Louisville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Green Valley issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Otterdale County, Grant County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wayne, or 13 miles south of Fergus Falls, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include long ball signs and 60 miles per hour with gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wendell around 5:35 p.m. Elbow wave around 5 to 10 p.m. Ashby and Barry around 6:05 p.m. Third on around 6:10 p.m. This includes Interstate 94 in Minnesota between mile marker 67 and 80. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio WNG 707 in 10 region. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162. A tornado warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for eastern Douglas County.